YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Well, I am doing well today, aren't I? First 20-minute video, corrupt and it's completely unusable. Then the battery runs out on my second one. My droids and... Anyway, hello YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Welcome to another video where I'm going to be showing you all my little bits of plastic that I use to make my scratch built spaceships and Doodlebot Robots, TrashBash. And here's my trash, basically. This is what I got up to when the last video ran out. Small bits of plastic and model parts. And then I've got this little tray here of more interesting sort of parts. And this little tray here is of bits that I've got two of. Interesting parts. Some guns and bits and pieces in here. And other interesting parts. This is a kind of an inspiration box of lots of potential robots and bits and wheels and stuff and wheelie and robot bits. Then I've got, come on, get up there, there's a good box. And I've got this drawer around here with more sort of potential robot shaped bits and parts. And there's more. If you follow me into my spare room, stuff. Cat, hello cat. This is Daisy. Box of more plastic parts, and it's got so many actually. I've had to categorise them in bags. So you've got syringes, lids, different shaped lids, bits of plastic, bath type thing, pens, clothes pegs, more pens, bits, more lids, caps. They're different sizes, small ones down the bottom, larger ones up the top, more different syringes, bits that I pulled off a clothes drying thing recently, some crayon twisting things, lids, the insides of the crayon twisty things, different shaped lids, well, ones that are different shape to these ones, milk bottle, Oatly and Alpro bottle lids. And then I've got a box over there with much larger parts. And I've got this area here of things that still need to be taken apart, that are busted or been chucked out by people. Printer there that someone chucked out. I thought, yeah, that'd be really good for parts, but it works fine. I don't quite know why someone chucked that out. Anyway, there's all my junk. Have a look at my junk. I should have made the title for this video. And that junk is turned into these. Possibly. This is a spaceship that's in production. Possibly. I don't know how that's going yet. There's my first scratch built spaceship. I want to do a sort of a baby head dystopian mecha type thing. I want to do that. There's quite a few things like that actually. You make my own Buzz Lightyear head and have that on a sort of as a mecha. I don't know, the possibilities are endless. But yeah, lots of clothes pegs things down there that I can use. Yeah, lots of ideas and spaceships and robots all about the place that I can use for inspiration. But still, might seem like a lot of bits, but I don't think I've got very good quality parts at all. I haven't got like Dr. Toys can buy Gundam kits and just use those bits off them and make them look really good, or go to the pounds, the dollar store and buy these action figures with robot-y limbs that he uses, make his robots look really good. Andy Mecha seems to have a brilliant brain for being able to produce his own designs, same as Bill making stuff. His drawings are just out of this world, and where you people get your ideas from I do not know, because I can't. Well, I suppose I've made some of my own scratch built ideas, I suppose, maybe, but I'm definitely very much learning the craft of the art. But anyway, practice makes perfect, I suppose. So I'm going to get on and carry on building this one here that you saw in the last video that ended so abruptly. I've got to mend my little Louis as well, who had an accident. I really should probably take them away from my shelf up there and put them back in my glass cabinet over there, but I don't know. A bit of an effort today for some reason, I don't know. Not really feeling it at all. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope these videos inspire you to make your own little robots. I'd like to go a bit bigger scale, to be honest, then I can put, well, I haven't really got the materials, to be honest, to go bigger scale. Another guy as well who, I think some of the best robots and spaceships I've ever seen on YouTube are it's a guy called Cut Transform Glue, who does some amazing robots. He must take months and months and months doing them. And then there's a guy called J Cube, who just does the most beautiful looking spaceships, all scratch built. They're just out of this worldly beautiful looking. The proportions are just excellent, and the same with Cut Transform Glue. And there's another guy called the Dark Power, I think. He does some really nice looking robots, but again they use all sort of 3D printed parts and CNC cut parts. Well, Cut Transform Glue does, and the Dark Power likes to buy lighters and do moulds and reproduce moulds of reproduce things from moulds and make nice shapes, and take a lot more time instead of just getting stuff out of the trash and just turning it into a robot, which is what I'm doing. They actually, they are scratch built, but they are using more sort of kit parts and 3D printed parts, which is fine by me. You get a much better result, but mine are just trash bash rubbish that would normally be thrown away and get sent to landfill. All of this unusable plastic waste that we have, and I want to turn them into something nice. And so thank you for watching. Sorry about the abrupt ending on the last video, but hope you enjoyed them, and I'll be doing a bit of a build video probably. Yeah, when I've got a pillbot there that I want to make. When I get all the parts together for him, I'll do a build video of how I go about actually making the things. Yeah. thank you for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and goodbye, and be careful out there. Sorry about the shaky cam.